Start. The sole accused in special calendar case number 49 of 2011 on the file of a special court for trial of Prevention of Corruption Act cases Madurai has filed these appeals aggrieved by the conviction recorded wide judgment dated 28/8/2020 and 22/9/2020 and sentence imposed wide order dated 15/9/2020 and 29/9/2020 by the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court under sections 7 and 13 within bracket 2 read with 13(1)(d) of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, for short the Act. The appellant accused was working as sanitary inspector in 8th ward of Madurai Municipal Corporation. He was charge sheeted for the offence under sections 7, 13 within bracket 2 read with 13(1)(d) of the Act, alleging that he demanded an amount of rupees 500 and a cell phone as illegal gratification from PW2 within bracket Thiru D. Gopal, who was working as supervisor in a voluntary service organization called Neat and Clean Service Squad within bracket NACSS, which was given sanitation work on contract basis in ward number 8 of Madurai Corporation. It was the case of the prosecution that to send his report for extension of work beyond the period of March 2003, when PW2 has approached him on 9th and 10th of October 2003. Such a demand was made as such appellant, being a public servant, demanded and accepted illegal gratification on 10th of October 2003 as a motive or reward to do an official act in exercise of his official function, and thereby he has committed misconduct which is punishable under sections 7, 13 within bracket 2 and 13 within bracket 1 within bracket D of the Act. On denial of charge, charges were framed against him for the aforesaid offences, and he has pleaded not guilty. Therefore, he was tried before the special court for the aforesaid alleged offences. During the trial, on prosecution side, 12 witnesses were examined, that is PW1 to PW12 and 17 exhibits XP1 to P17 and MO1 to MO4 have been marked. No defense witness was examined, and XD1 to D3 were marked during the cross-examination of PW6. By considering the oral and documentary evidence on record, trial court by judgment dated 25/2/2014 acquitted the appellant, aggrieved by the judgment of the special court. State has preferred criminal appeal (MD number 6 of 2015) before the Madurai bench of Madras High Court. The Madurai bench of Madras High Court, by impugned judgment and orders, has reversed the acquittal and convicted the appellant for the offences under section 7(13) (2) and 13 (1) (d) of the Act. Stop.